Hello and welcome back to another workout. Today I'm going to focus on a little bit more of a low impact. So low impact doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be easier, but it'll be easier on your joints and you can take it at a lower level. So I'm aiming more for beginner level here, but I will show you advanced options if you want to choose those as you progress. So if you want to keep taking this video time and time again, and you can see how you can progress it if you need to. If you begin to find the low level, it's just too easy for you now, okay? So it's going to be 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds rest, but 20 seconds rest is going to be active, okay? So we're just going to be marching on the spot. And that's it really. Let's get into the workout. So we're going to get straight to work on this one. First exercise we're going to do is to put your left leg out and the right arm punch, okay? So a little squat in the middle and do it like that. So let's march on the spot for a second, get warmed up, and then into it. So like I said, I'm just going to do low impact version here. So squat, left leg out, right punch, okay? Now if you did want to take it up as you get progressively better, then you just speed it up, okay, and give it more of a jab, more of an uppercut, but for now we're just taking it down a notch, or just go at your own speed. This might still be too fast. So we've got a few seconds left. Do it this way. 3, 2, 1, and just active recovery, marching on the spot. Hope you're all doing well. Again, this little outfit here is going to be possibly a new collection, so let me know what you think, more for spring, summer. Right, opposite side. So, right leg, left leg punch. Squat down, lift that leg up. This is great for your bottom. And obviously, we're also working upper side as well. Again, if you wanted to advance it, you go quicker, even more advanced would be to get a small weight and punch up with a weight, but just low level, lower impact today. 3, 2, 1, march on the spot. So I tested this out on my son first, he's 10. Currently off with COVID, so I'm stuck at home with him. Good fun. I'm sure if you homeschool your kids, that's not true. Right, this side, we're going to be doing jabbing punches. We're going to be leading with the right arm, okay? So, punch, punch, punch. Now, you can imagine there's something in front of you that you're fed up with right now. Mine would be COVID and having to stay at home, so I'm going to proper go for it. But if you're not that angry and you want to take it down a notch, let's just do some gentle punches, like we don't mean it. So this is working your sides as well, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's march it out. And then we'll move on to the other side. So leading with the left side. So get into position, left leg, and we'll start swinging those punches. Go. So we're working that waist as well. And you want your arms to be punching. Imagine there's someone's, well, it's going to have to be, I'm afraid, somebody the same height as you, with their face in front of you, okay? You want to be punching at that level, straight from your shoulders. And again, if you're angry, you can punch it out a bit faster. And if you wanted to advance it, little weights, dumbbell weights, and do it with your weights, okay? But we're sticking to low level. At least I am trying to. Right, march it out. Right. A bit of a boxercise theme today. The next one's going to be right hook, left hook, knee lift, okay? ready? Right hook, left hook, knee lift. Right hook, left hook, knee lift. Right hook, left hook, knee lift. Also stick with the right leg, sorry. Right hook, left hook, knee lift. So we're just sticking with the right leg this time. I'm getting ahead of myself. Left leg is in the next set, okay? So, like I said, just gentle, not too hard. As you progress, just a case of doing it faster as you progress and put more effort into those punches. And rest, but active recovery. Get a sip of water if you need to. March on the spot. And again, I always say in these videos, but please let me know if you want me to add some music. I keep it quiet so you can have your music on in the background and whatever gets you fired up, not me. Right, now it's the opposite side. So, left hook, right hook, left knee lift. Left hook, right hook, left knee lift. A long time ago when I was at university, I used to do kickboxing until I had to spar against a bloke who kicked me directly in my solar plexus, just here, and I couldn't breathe. And next time I had to fight a bloke again in a sparring session, and I thought, no, not for me. Right, rest, active recovery. Right, next thing is we're going to be doing knee lifts again. This is really focusing on your obliques, so your stomach muscles here, okay? On the right side, just lift. We'll do a bit of a squat and lift, okay? Squat and lift that leg. Really squeeze your leg up to your chin because that's really working your stomach when you do that, okay? So working our butt, that resting leg. The butt on the left hand side is having a good workout, and then so is your stomach from lifting that knee up and pulling your shoulders into it. It's almost like a standard sit-up. As slow as you need to go. Right, active recovery. Or you can just do some toe touches. Whatever you want to do. Right, other side. So we hold our weight on the right side and lift the left knee. Now, okay, squat down and pull that knee up to your chin. Get your shoulders down. Do that sort of standing crunch, okay? Like I said, you can do this a bit slower if you need to. If your balance isn't good, then hold on to something and do the knee lift, okay? No ego amigo. We're not expecting you to be amazing straight away if you haven't exercised for a while. And rest. Right. Now, the next thing is for a toe tap with a squat, so it's going to be like this, okay? Touch your toes and squat. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And squat. Now, when you come up, really squeeze that butt, push those hips out. Keep everything engaged, keep the core engaged, your back engaged. And squeeze. If you can't go down to your toes, then just go to your knees, okay? But squeeze that butt. Trying to strengthen that bum. Okay, there's a low rest, although it's nice to have a pert, strong bum, it's also really, really helpful for walking, lifting, carrying. If you've got a strong butt, it's the bottom of your back So less injuries if you're stronger around that area, I can promise you. Right, sorry, too busy talking. Lateral toe touches, okay? Let's get started. So, both sides. If you can't touch the ground, just touch your knee, okay? And as you progress, we can do it faster, like that, okay? So if you keep doing this video, be interested to see if you keep doing this video, how you improve and how you find it easier to progress. 3, 2, 1. Right, next one, toe touches and a raise. So that's touch the ground and raise up. Now you can either go onto your tippy toes or you can just stand. Right, 3, 2, 1, let's get into it. Touch your toes and raise. So we're kind of going into a squat again and raising. Like I said, if going to your toes is too much, go to your knees and stand and put your arms up. You don't have to raise your toes. Entirely up to you. And go speed that you need. But do try and push yourself a little bit. If it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. But they don't. And you are. Right, sorry, march it out. Next one is a bob and a weave. So imagine there is a clothesline above your head and you're going underneath the clothesline, okay? Bit of a boxer's workout, this one. All right, let's go. Bob and weave. Bob and weave. I keep getting carried away talking today. Now, again, if you want to get faster to get on, you can do it like that, okay? But for now, we're just doing it gently. Unless you feel we can progress. 3, 2, 1. Right, the final one, because I love to end on a plank. Now, knowing that this is low impact, as if you're just getting back into exercise, your plank can be on your knees, a little bit spread out like that, and on your elbows, okay? So, almost like when you're doing a press up with your knees. Let's get going, sorry. Don't know if you can see me very well from the camera angle. But it's like when you're doing a press up from your knees. I'm on my knees and doing the plank from my elbows, okay? If you think you can do it from your toes and do the plank from your elbows, or on your hands, okay? Oh, we're halfway there. That's what my son was singing when we were doing this. Right, 3, 2, 1, and we've done it! Please let me know what you thought of that video. If you want to have more low impact, low intensity videos from me, then please let me know. I'm going to try and do 2 a week, so low impact ones and higher impact ones for the slightly more advanced level. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you next week. Was it Wednesday?